Some of the most powerful hunters in the jungle move in silence and strike with precision. The jaguar is a master of stealth, using its strength and patience to ambush its prey. The green anaconda relies on pure power, waiting quietly before using its massive body to overpower anything that comes too close. And the harpy eagle dominates from above, using incredible vision and razor-sharp talons to strike with perfect accuracy. In the wild, survival doesn't always belong to the fastest or the loudest, but to those who move with patience, precision, and control.